Hi everyone, how are you guys doing at home? Hope that MCO has been treating you guys well so far. I know everyone was just trying to go out, trying to go back to work, but just need to be a bit patient and just pray that things will get back to normal. So, anything new with you guys? Do you manage to do anything interesting during this MCO period? If you do, you can just maybe share with us. You can tag us at spinefitcairo.physio. That will be great. We will definitely check you out. For me, I'm just busy cooking, eating, and exercising. That's like my 3 routine every day. So I hope we will see you guys soon, yeah? Take care! So I'm gonna cook now. I'm gonna make tuna cutlets for me and brothers now. So I prepared the tuna cutlet, so there's cheese inside actually. Now it's time to fry. And voila, it's done. My tuna cutlet with cheese, and you can choose your own dipping sauce. Like for me, I love tartar sauce and also chicken floss. That's my favorite. I know it's weird, it's a weird combination, tartar sauce but chicken floss, but it's yummy.